So I take your $100.
It's taking $100.
Believe it or not.
You're a man if you...
You're a man of your word, right?
We have a jumper box to it.
I'm gonna take your $100. I'm doing this just to take your $100 today.
I told Sam I'll give him $100 if he starts tonight. Huh?
Fuel pumping, fan.
Where are the headlights?
We gotta figure out where to put them.
Sam wants my $100.
Okay, let's fill it up with gas.
Okay, we put gas in. Let's see if it starts. Full 85 too. It's just strong.
What?
The 85. It's all over my hands.
It's gonna start.
We heard it for 1 second.
What? I'm gonna hear for more so I can give him $100.
That's $10 right there. We're almost there.
For that 1 second, it sounded good.
I know. The grinding noise is him. Oh my.
$20.
$20. We're almost at 100.
Right, so let it really clean. Yeah. The battery's dying.
Shooting flames already?
Yes, hold up. fresh. It started.
Let's go drive it.
Disconnect the jumper, and then all we have to do now is just put everything where it belongs.
And then tune it. Well guys, you heard it. It freaking started. Bro, that was crazy. That was like the first little startup. It only ran for like a couple seconds, but at least we got to hear it for a couple seconds. Actually make some progress on the E46. I'm freaking hyped. I cannot wait till we actually get it running and started and driving and tuned with flames coming out the hood. It's gonna be so sick. Next week we're gonna clean it all up, put everything back to where it's supposed to be, fabricate the exhaust out the hood, fabricate the intercooler piping. And Sam said hopefully, maybe we're gonna push for next weekend, next Saturday maybe. Sam wants to throw it on the dyno, get it tuned, and then it'll be done, I think. That's pretty much it. I can't wait, dude. And we can finally take the car to the racetracks, go drifting on the street, everywhere. It's gonna be sick. What's up, dude? That's clean. I want one, bro. I need to buy another one. That's just clean. It helps. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we made it to a little car meet out here in Anaheim. Also where there's a lot of cops, so I would not be surprised if cops shut this meet down. I think they already shut down the first location. This is the second location. But I thought I'd pull up, make a vlog because I have not filmed anything in so freaking long. And I need to make a vlog for you guys. On the way over here, literally probably 100 cars on the freeway right now. So it should be pretty crazy and pretty packed. No way, there is a cop already. Oh, like I said, I don't know if you guys can see because it's so dark, but a red E46. Bro, it literally looks just like my old car. So sad. But here are all the cops. Man, that sucks. Woo! Bro, that shit looks crazy. Look at this cage. There's literally like 15 cop cars. It's actually insane. This is like the second time in a row, guys, that I've came out far, like over an hour drive, to go to a car meet, to get some vlog footage, and it's shut down. It's like impossible to throw a car meet nowadays. It's not even possible. The cops will not let it happen. I don't know what we're doing now. We might go to like a little roll racing meet, go race some people, but look at this thing. Tripping. All right, guys, we made it to this little race meet. Since the last meet was a burn and cops shut it down, but now I made it over here. I might be the only GTR here, and I'm probably like one of the slowest ones. I'm not even joking. There's some crazy ass cars here. All these Camaros sound crazy. They're on 85, Mustang, Z06, some crazy cars. I heard that guy is super fast at Eclipse. We're about to hop on the freeway, do a little runs, and probably get dusted by all these fools. Yeah, that last minute was a burn. Good thing we found something last minute to come to and vlog. It should be lit. We're about to go to Mexico. Guys, look at this E36. This is the owner. And look at this hoodie, bro. We're twinning over here. But of course, he has a Beamer too, which is dope. The Beamer Club, bro. Makes me miss my dude. I want one so bad again. One day I'm gonna buy another one. I promise. This is like the perfect daily. I honestly regret selling mine, but I had to sell it, make some business moves, and I had to get this. But soon, guys. That's me, bro. My twin. So many cars. I don't know if you guys could even see. There's probably like 100 Mustangs, Hellcats, Corvettes, Z06s. I think I'm the only GTR, but I'm probably the only stock car here too. I smell all the 85. I hear all the cammed Camaros. If you guys remember that cammed Camaro that I raced a few videos back, he wants to race again. I guess he got a new tune and he said he's gonna beat me today, so we'll see. sound stock. And I said that from the start. That might be stock. I think that one was a Cobra or a Shelby, whatever you guys. I don't even know what they are, but I had the little snake, bro. That shit's fast. It's not a 5.0. That was a little snake, bro. A little Cobra. And a bike.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.